And here's some breaking news coming in from the world of sports. Hockey India President Narinder Batra has lodged a complaint to the Indian Olympic Association and India's chef de mission in Rio, Rakesh Gupta, asking why the men's hockey team has been made to stay in poorly furnished rooms at the Olympic Village in Rio. This comes after the coach Roland Ottmans lodged a complaint that there were not enough chairs and TVs available for the team. And Karishma is with me on the phone line now for more on that story. Karishma, as soon as the men's hockey team landed there, complaints have started coming in on how inadequate facilities are really provided to them. The chief complaint of the coach was taken up, and now it has been taken forward with by Hockey India with the IOA as well.
Absolutely. Hockey India President Narinder Batra has questioned the chef de mission Rakesh Gupta, who is there in the Rio Games Village, asking what is taking so long for him to take this matter up with Games Village officials and make available, chairs and whatever is needed by the hockey contingent there to perform well in the Olympic Games that start on the 6th of August for the men's hockey team with the match. So obviously, the Hockey India president, they're questioning the IOA, saying that, why are they not doing their duty? He, in fact, goes on social media to say that, they are there for the athletes and not on a paid holiday. So why is there a delay happening? Why is there no response on mail or otherwise from the IOA and the chef de mission to the Hockey India's complaint? The chief coach, Roland Ottmans, has said that, there are just 2 chairs in the living room and there are just a couple of bean bags, and there's 28 member squad. So why is there not enough facilities there?